Prometheus. Guys, connect to my member, guys. Connect the one I pin. Ay, Pilyat, I play again your video, ha? Wait, I check your video. I joke with you, my friend. Ayan. Bahala ka dyan. Basta sinabi kong gusto kong sabihin. Who person have to see him? Only take with you. Who person have to see him? Maybe Gurab. Oy, Pralad, ay, mute ko rito sila from Gurab. Don't mind. I'm sleeping, listening in dreams, and thank you, Kong Tok. Sleep well, my friend. Good night. Sweet dreams. But Hatus to CMC Gibahot Balpayan from Bar. What, Pralad? Oy, Novi, you want to see my GF? Ayan, Pralad. Oy, Pralad, before you send me again picture, who's that girl? Is that your GF or XG? Your XGF. Sweet dreams but have sweet bad. Ayan. Why sweet bad? Pralad life, she still love me. And only GF, not XGF, she still love me. Novi, how many X do you have till now? Oy, Gurab, my ex, that's my private. Charot. That's my private. She asked me when you'll give me my first kiss and from Pralad. Or really have a sweet dreams but not have sweet bad. Kong Tok. Okay, Kong Tok, you sleep. Sweet or bad, it's okay. But you try to sleep. Bakit nandito ako? Ate Marilu, hello! Ate ko, thank you very, very much. Mari, I'm warning you, don't spam. Ayan, huwag ka ito mag-spam, ate. Novi, heart is laughing. I'm from Gurab. Make it Gurab. Pralad, I'm from Ate.